I got into grilling when I was 12 years old. It was the first time I ever cooked over live fire. It was in the woods. I had a fort like most kids my age back then. And I remember it was like yesterday. It's, seared into my mind, pun intended. I actually built the first grill that I ever cooked over with a dear friend of mine. And that chilly morning in Michigan is a memory that will never fade away. And here we are 3 decades later, and I am still hooked on live fire cooking and being outside. What I love most about grilling is just the process. The creative nature of taking, food and kissing it with flame and smoke and just bringing it to another level. So that process for me is just so important. My daughter would tell you that dinner is never on time with Dad, and she's not wrong. And there's a reason for that. I just really embrace the process, and so I tend to slow roll things and take my time. And I really feel like building memories is as important as building flavors. So. Spending time around the grills and that process we go through, for me, that's what it's all about. I'm Matthew Eads. I'm a cookbook author and founder of Grillseeker.com.